Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to fix if your OBS is lagging while you recording or while you streaming on YouTube, on Twitch, or anything. So it because commonly happen because your computer or your laptop is not has the VGA that the good VGA or reliable VGA. Okay, so how to do that? You just open your OBS and then click File and then click Settings, and then you can find this output. First, you can change the video bitrate, but I do not prefer to change this one. But if you want, you can reduce the bitrate of your streaming. This is the uploading of your video while you're streaming. And then the next one is you open the video, and then because now my video currently active, I can change the settings, but you can choose the resolution into 720 instead of 1080 or instead of HD. So you can make it smaller, but you can still make 60 fps on your OBS, or you can reduce it into 30 fps. It based on your preferences, but I suggest if you have lagging on your OBS, you reduce your output videos or reduce your fps. Between two of them, you can reduce either you reduce your resolution but still use 60 fps, or you increase your resolution into HD but you reduce your fps into 30 fps, and then click OK or apply, and then you can do your recording. And I hope your lagging problem is not happening anymore. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on a comment below. Thank you.